everyone. Well, the van is all ready to go. I finished off hoovering round. We've packed everything. Clothes are in, food's in the fridge, all Archie's things are in, and Tony's done all the checks on the van, so it's time to go, which is good. We're not going too far. It's only a short trip because we're only going for 2 nights, but it's somewhere we've not stayed before. So come with us and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hope you're all okay.
Yeah.
Well, we got all the van ready, didn't we?
We have. Ready for our first trip of 2026.
This is our first trip and we're off to, where are we going?
Not far.
Milestone Campsite, which is in Newark. So we went to see some friends there, which was Bob and Jenny Earnshaw and Trev and Sue. Yes. Before Christmas, because they were staying there. Yeah. And we thought,
this is really, a nice site.
Yeah, we really ought to go and try it out. Yeah. So that's where we're going. So come with us and we'll see you when we get there. Bye for now. Everyone.
Hello.
Hope you're okay.
Yeah.
Well, we've arrived.
We have. We're on pitch 110
at Milestone Campsite, which is in Newark.
I quite like this pitch.
Yeah, it's a nice
we're
pitch.
Overlooking the lake.
Yeah, let's go and show you. Now this isn't a lake that is actually on the campsite. This is over that fence. So obviously it's a fishing lake which belongs to somebody. There's a big house over there, so it's probably their lake. We can see a few fishermen around, and there's some geese.
There is a small lake in the campsite.
Yeah, and there is there's a lake actually on the campsite. This is the van parked up. We've got the electric hook up there. We haven't brought the well, we have brought them, they're in the van, but the collapse hose pipes, we've not attached those today because we're not on a fully serviced pitch. So we've got the Fiamma wastewater emptier there, so that's there, and the lake on the campsite, so that's lovely.
Water, surrounded by water.
Yes, surrounded by water, and it's been really raining, but we've got a bit of a reprieve at the minute. Yes. And the sun's trying to get out,
so making the most of it.
Over that side you've got some lodges, so that's nice to look at. And then there's a few pictures on here. There's a little walkway down there, look, to the centre of the lake. That's nice, isn't it? That little walkway. Yeah. There's some ducks. As I say, there's a little walkway there. Well, it's a bridge, I think, over there's like a little island, so there's a bridge over to the island. Float there, it's waterlogged, the grass. Pardon?
Width of that picture?
Yeah, they're all large, aren't they? I mean, the pitches around here are really, really generous. When I rang the lady to book a pitch, she said, don't worry about it, because it said campervan and small motorhome. She said the pitches are huge, and she says there's enough room to put your car and an awning on.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's have a waltz round. You can just hear a bit of noise from the road, but it doesn't really bother you, does it?
No, I mean, we can't from where we are.
No, there's no sound where we're pitched up. So you've got some pitches around here, and then the site goes that way, right the way round. We'll walk that another day, shall we? Yeah. So as we come round here, these motorhomes and caravans are edging on to the lake at the side. We've got a toilet block here, the facilities. And then just round here is the motorhome waste disposal point, just there.
Yeah.
And here you've got a side view. It's nice because these have got all little hedges in between, haven't they? And they've got lots of birdseed containers, and yeah, it looks lovely. I think this side, these must be,
We've got awnings.
What do you call them? Seasonal pictures?
Seasonal pictures. Oh yeah.
They look like,
they've got chairs and ducks.
Yeah, it looks like people come here, you know, on a regular basis. They've got their own pitch. It's lovely on here. Really nice.
Yeah, what's that building there?
I don't know, Tony. It does say keep off the banks. I'm not going to find out. Maybe it's something to do with the lake. It's a little bit squodgy, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably nice in summer.
Yeah. A bit flooded at the moment. Chairs, look over there.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a little veranda there. It's underwater.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Well, we have had a lot of rain.
Yeah. Continue round.
Back to the lodges.
Yeah. Look at this. They've got a lot of gnomes here, look. And fairy houses. There, that's the back of the lodges. That's private. Elson Point here. And bins. It's recycling and glass. Refuse bins. Oh, there's another little lake here, look. Oh, that's nice. Got some more ducks there. Though they're doing some work round here. Have a look what they're doing. I wonder if they're making some more pictures. Could be, couldn't they?
Expanding.
Yeah. So let's have a look up here then. What's up here? Nice little embankment. All moss. Oh, nice, you can see the lake. A bit better, a bit closer. It's nice, isn't it, to look at?
Yeah,
I'll walk back round here. And this leads us back to our motorhome. And you can hear the traffic more up here, can't you? Than you can from lower down. But it's the A1, isn't it? Oh,
house there.
Yeah, little hedgehog house.
Is that what it is?
Yes, I think so. Yes, it is quite flooded, isn't it? You can see how much it's come out, can't you? Some daffodils down here, which is nice to see. It means spring's on the way, everybody. Oh, it's a bit slippery. I don't want to slip over. Yeah, it's a nice sight, isn't it? It's really muddy on here. Pull the shoes off on the stones. And we're back at our van. Giving Archie a little walk around. Hasn't it, Archie?
Yeah, you enjoy that, Archie?
You can hear the birds, can't you? It sounds lovely. Got the key? I haven't. Right, might have to take my boots off, I think.
Don't want any mud in the van?
No mud in the van.
Oh.
Well, we've just got Archie all cleaned up. It was a little bit muddy, weren't you, Archie? But you're nice and clean now.
He is. I bet he's ready for his dinner.
Yeah, what time is it?
3:30.
3:30, yes, he's getting ready, aren't you, Arch?
We'll not mention anything.
No, we'll not mention it just yet. So, we've got a nice view from here. Over to the geese there. And this side. That's quite nice, isn't it? And it's very quiet where we are, isn't it?
It is. Nice little
Is that the map of the site? We could just show everybody that, couldn't we?
Yeah. That's quite a large site.
Yeah, so we are, where are we?
We are there.
Yeah, 110. Archie's coming to have a little look. Are you having a look, Arch? So we're overlooking the lake here.
That way. Oh,
no,
yeah.
we're not.
Sorry.
We're looking that lake
that way.
there. And this is, it's a fishing lake. This one is as well. I didn't realise that. You can't really tell though because it's flooded at the minute. Yeah, so it's quite a nice sight. And as you walk back this way towards the reception, there's lots of pictures around here.
And they're expanding this way.
Yes. Archie stopped sniffing the camera. Yeah, so here they're expanding
Out that way.
out that way a little bit.
That way, yeah.
Yeah. Yep. I would recommend coming. Yes, it's really nice. I think I'd recommend it, wouldn't you?
Yes.
To come again.
Yeah, maybe in the summer.
Yeah, in the summer when it's a bit warmer. Hey Archie, come again in the summer when it's a bit warmer. Yeah? And we'll ask for this pitch again. I like this pitch.
It's a nice pitch. Yeah, because we're this section is south facing, so in the summer put your awning there. You haven't got anybody overlooking you, and you've got a nice view of the lake.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it, Archie? You like it? And then we're just going to have some pasta tonight, Friday night, and then tomorrow we're going to have a walk into the village, aren't we? Have a look around the village, and then call back at the pub at lunchtime. I think they open about 12, that lady said to me in the reception.
It's called Milestone Brewery Shop.
Yeah, it's a microbrewery. So the brewery really like dogs, so dogs are welcome.
Very dog friendly.
Yeah, the dogs are welcome inside.
So no problem for you, Archie.
No, Archie will be welcome, won't you?
Yeah. Hey.
So we'll see you in a bit. Bye for now.
Bye for now.